Hello, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Top 10 Science News this week, where we bring you the latest and most exciting scientific developments. This week, we've seen some truly incredible breakthroughs. Let's get into it. First up, there's been a significant leap in medical science. Researchers have discovered a new class of antibodies that can target a part of the malaria parasite that was previously considered untouchable. This could lead to new, more effective treatments or even vaccines. It's a step closer to potentially eradicating malaria, which still claims hundreds of thousands of lives each year. In tech, AI has taken a big step forward by designing wireless chips. This isn't just about making chips. It's about doing it faster and with less human intervention. This technology cuts down development time from months to weeks, potentially leading to quicker rollout of new, more efficient devices like smartphones and routers. The sky put on a show with the peak of the Quadrantids Meteor Shower. This annual event, caused by Earth passing through debris left by the asteroid 2003 H1, gave us up to 40 meteors per hour. It's not just a spectacle, it's a reminder of our planet's journey through cosmic dust, offering insights into our solar system's history. A concerning discovery from our oceans. Microplastics from our daily use products like clothing and packaging are ending up in fish. This research underlines the urgency of addressing plastic pollution. It's not just about saving marine life, but also about understanding how these plastics might impact human health when we consume seafood. Here's some uplifting news. Your social life might be boosting your health. Studies this week suggest that strong social ties can enhance immune function, possibly reducing the risk of diseases like heart disease or diabetes. It's science telling us to cherish our connections, not just for mental health, but for physical well-being too. Astronomy lovers were treated to a rare sight, an alignment of 6 planets. Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune lined up in the sky, visible from Earth. While such alignments happen periodically, this one was particularly photogenic, offering a spectacular view and a lesson in planetary motion. Climate change is reshaping nature in ways we're still uncovering. New research shows how it could affect the spongy moth, an invasive species in North America. Warmer temperatures might reduce the effectiveness of a natural fungal control, potentially leading to more significant moth outbreaks unless new strategies are developed. For those dreaming of a sustainable future, there's hope in battery technology. Scientists have introduced single crystal electrodes for lithium-ion batteries, which could extend the life of electric vehicle batteries significantly. This means EVs might go further on a single charge, making them more practical for everyone. Delving into our roots, scientists have refined methods to analyze ancient DNA, providing a more detailed view of human ancestry and migration patterns. This breakthrough could rewrite parts of human history, showing us how diverse and interconnected our ancestors were across continents. Finally, diamonds might soon be the heart of our computers. Researchers have found ways to grow diamonds at lower temperatures for use in electronics. This could lead to the next generation of semiconductors, offering superior performance in terms of speed and energy efficiency compared to traditional silicon chips. That wraps up this week's Science Roundup. From battling diseases to understanding our universe better, science continues to amaze. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more science updates. See you next time.